What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. I got the Jordan 1 OG Electro Orange. Let me tell you a story before we get started. Just in the mall today, going to get me a pair of socks. Walked into the finish line. I'm like, okay, cool. I see this shoe sitting up there on the counter because it's sold out everywhere. I caught the L on sneakers. So I'm like, all right, let me ask this cashier if these for sale. Hey, these for sale today, man? Yeah. I'm like, okay, cool. Can I try them on? Because I didn't know what size they were at the time. I was just shocked that they were still sitting there. So yeah, I put them on, looked at them, 5.5. Cool, that's my size. Let me put them on. Perfect fit. Let me go ahead and cop these. Appreciate you. So that was my story for the day. Totally shocked that they were just still sitting in the store like that. But anyway, let's get to this review. Let me show you the box. Got the OG Nike box. Black and red as usual. Go ahead and get into the white paper, normal paper. And here we go. Nice. Nice. All right, let's see what we got here. We got the white toe box with the black going around. The OG and Nike Air on the tongue. Normal Air Jordan symbol right here. Orange bottom. And we got the extra laces. You got your white extra laces and your orange extra laces. And then you still got the black ones that it came with also. So you get 3 sets of laces with these shoes, which is pretty nice. My opinion is I would go with the orange. Let me show you the next one, which I already put the orange shoestrings on. Here we go. The orange just brings it out to me. Very nice. But hey, tell me what you think. Drop a comment down there below. What would you do? What color would you roll with? Would you go with the orange laces or the black laces or the white laces? I mean, hey, they all look good to me, but I would roll with the orange. But yeah, this is a shoe that everybody was talking about. They was gonna be a pass, but once I got it in hand, cause I was thinking twice about it myself, but now they done grew on me and I like them, and it was worth the cop. But y'all let me know y'all opinions down in the comments below, and if you like my video and like my review, go ahead and hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel and continue to roll with me on this journey. Catch you on the next video. Peace.